In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newspaper with free Canva templates. To get started, head over to Canva and sign in to your account. If you're new to Canva, you can create a free account first and then continue. Once you're inside, go to the search bar and type in newspaper, then press enter. This will bring up a large collection of newspaper-style templates, including layouts for school papers, community newsletters, business publications, vintage designs, and more modern styles. As you browse, look for a template marked free so you can use it without paying. When you find a design that fits the style you want, click Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. This is where all the editing happens. Start by changing the newspaper title at the top. Replace the default name with your own publication name so the design immediately feels personalized. After that, click into each headline and swap out the sample text with your own story titles. Headlines should be clear and attention-grabbing, since they're one of the first things readers notice. Next, replace the article body text with your own content. You can type everything manually, paste in writing from another document, or use AI-generated text as a starting point and then refine it to match your style. Once the text is in place, add your own images by going to Uploads and then Upload Files. After your images are uploaded, drag and drop them into the layout where the placeholders are. From there, customize the fonts and colors to match the tone of your newspaper. You can adjust font styles, font sizes, text colors, and even background colors to create a polished and consistent look. If your newspaper needs more variety, add extra sections like news, sports, business, entertainment, opinion, events, or classified ads, depending on the purpose of your publication. Now take some time to adjust the layout, resize images, text boxes, columns, and headlines so everything feels balanced and easy to read. Good spacing makes a big difference in helping your newspaper look organized instead of crowded. Before you finish, proofread everything carefully. Check for spelling and grammar mistakes, incorrect dates, formatting problems, or any missing images. Then preview the full newspaper and make sure the headlines stand out, the images look clear, the text is readable, and the overall design feels professional. When you're happy with the result, click Share, then Download and choose the format you want. You can save it as PDF Standard, PDF Print, PNG, or JPG. If you plan to print physical copies, PDF Print is usually the best choice. Finally, decide how you want to publish it. You can print it, share the PDF digitally, upload it to a website, post it on social media, or distribute it as a newsletter. And that's how to create a newspaper using free Canva templates.